I'll read his messages. Okay, yes baby, what happened? Why don't you pick call? Ayo, full fight in house still going on. Why, what happened? I got another notice, need to clear 7.2 GST. So why fight? Why means normal, this happens in my house. I am 15 days, I need to clear. How will you clear? I said I'm not able to handle it, will sell salon. That's why they are like, what happened to your life? Everything you are losing slowly. We were so good in Bagalgunte rented house. You are not focusing on cricket, that post guy, I told him don't give it to my house, he gave it. Today same begging everyone. I don't know what to say anta naan helidini. I am in very difficult situation because of me, they are struggling. They andre parents. No, not because of you, you are doing your best. Yes Dishu, I did business. What else could you possibly do? They never liked it, I lost everything. You did for your brother Allah, it's okay. Not only for him. Just clear all loans and start fresh. Myself also know clear loans is not easy. It will take time. It will take time but happen. So don't worry. I should worry they will blacklist me. Who will and why? Government. Because not paying GST properly, that's why. Yeah, I get it. But what money you will get from these tournaments? Pay for GST. And the normal conversation ಆಗಿದ್ರು. ಅವ್ರ ನಂಬರೇ ಇದು ನೋಡಿ, ಅವ್ರ ನಂಬರ್ ಯಾವ್ದು ನೋಡಿ, ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಅದಾದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಓಕೆ, ವೆನ್ ವಿಲ್ ಯು ಟಾಕ್ ಟು ಮೀ? ಟುಮಾರೋ ಐ ಕಾಲ್ ದಿಶಾ, ಲೆಟ್ ಮೀ ಬಿ ಅಲೋನ್, ಟುಮಾರೋ ಐಲ್ ಬಿ ಫೈನ್. ಓಕೆ, ವಾಟ್ ಎಲ್ಸ್ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಐ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್? ಯು ವಿಲ್ ನೆವರ್ ಚೇಂಜ್. ಎಸ್, ಅಯ್ಯೋ ಇದು ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ. ಎಸ್, ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್. ಆಗಿದ್ದೀನ ಸರ್ ನಾನು ಅವ್ರ ಜೊತೆ ಅಹಮದಾಬಾದ್ಗೆ ಹೋಗಿದ್ದೀನಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದೀನಿ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಅವ್ರ ಟೀಮ್ ಜೊತೆ ಎಲ್ಲ.